Local news for Thursday, the 23rd of April. Marston District Council has dropped a range of fees and charges and extended timeframes as immediate measures to support the community during the COVID-19 response. These include removing rates penalties for May and August rates instalments and extending time for people to act on building consents by 6 months. Mayor Lynn Patterson says the immediate measures were just that. We're reviewing our rates increases. We also need to ensure that we don't end up lumping a larger increase onto the following financial year. Councillors and council staff are taking a fine-tooth comb due to planned activities and looking at areas where we can save money and come up with ways to support Masterton's recovery. Masterton Food Bank has supported nearly 2,000 people in the past month by offering food parcels during lockdown. Donations to food banks have also increased, with donations points across all areas of Wairarapa and throughout supermarkets. The government has approved a further $30 million support package to bolster the delivery of food and welfare assistance by local authorities. And Wairarapa is being urged not to be complacent as the national and regional COVID-19 situation improves. There is still a high level of risk and we must continue our contact with others being restricted. There will be police checkpoints operating to ensure no one is tempted to break their bubble over Anzac weekend. Kia ora, for local news, I'm Brent Gare.